Okay, you guys, we just arrived at the Kino Show. We're here day one. Yeah, what's up? Represent.
He's a handsome guy, yeah.
Everyone's happy to be here. So we're gonna walk down. We're gonna do my regular route. We got the girls with me.
Hi, ladies.
Hi.
How you doing?
Very good. So this is Moroccan material.
What is that?
Moroccan stuff.
Moroccan stuff.
Ooh, these are cool. These are beautiful.
Retail space at my restaurant, but
Sparkly black. What are these? Sydney?
No, hematite.
Hematite. Sparkly
Really?
hematite from Morocco. We just did our first booth stop here.
ooh, look at that.
Wow. We are in the first tent at Kino. And there's so many cool things. This is the ladies' first time at the show. So we're just kind of looking. I think today is opening day here at Kino. So lots to see. These are cool. They're under this tarp here.
All the like.
Spikes.
Oh, this is cool too.
They're like not even open. We stumbled upon the stuff that everyone is trending online
You're kidding.
on if it's real or not. It looks real. Fluorite on quartz.
Ooh.
So it's from Inner Mongolia or Mongolia. We're at the bracelet guy right now and he brought a lot of stuff that is available. Even more. We've got money toads and lucky cats and Pichu out here. Cute girlies. But we're gonna go in and look at the bracelets too. But wow, look at all those money toads. He's never had these before. Maybe it's because I shop here.
Gold.
Yeah, gold sheen obsidian.
Wow.
Maybe it's because I always come here and ask him for money toads.
Wow.
Yeah. So gold and silver sheen from Mexico, carved in China. Pichus too. Look at these beautiful goby agates. These are natural. Most of the time we see them dyed coming out of China, but these are natural and they're absolutely stunning. We'll definitely have to grab some of these. Okay, you guys, we're in the bracelet vendor. They have so many specimens here and so many carvings this time. So Sandra D is getting her stuff. We've got our bins on hand. So we're gonna start going through and picking our bracelets, and then there's so many other things in here. So I'm excited to see. They have some really beautiful goby agates out front that I want to look at. Oh, even these. Stop, these are so pretty. Blue opal. Okay, we're gonna get down to picking some stuff out. Look at these gorgeous bubblegum pinks. We're definitely gonna grab some of these. So many new bracelets here, you guys. Okay, I'm gonna pick out a few and then we will show you what we grabbed. Okay, we are finding some of these super beautiful blue opal with moss agate. They're absolutely beautiful. I pulled some really cool ones. Allie, you want to assist? Look at those. We're adding this. Super beautiful. Absolutely love. They actually gave us the UV light, so we're special. But we're just digging through here, looking for some. I mean, I don't want to go crazy, guys, but you know, we're trying to find some baby beads too, because I know you guys said you like baby beads. Okay, these are really pretty, you guys. These are quartz with pyrite in them, and they have a girasol, so they're more milky, but they're really quite pretty. I think I'm just gonna get a handful of them. They're just stunning. We found some really beautiful tourmaline, but you kind of have to dig through these. But you guys know I'm a huge fan of tourmaline, so I'm going to grab a few of these. Okay, you guys, we're in Lavender Moon Quartz Heaven. I'm picking out some really beautiful Lavender Moon Quartz for you guys. I'm getting some super clear beads for y'all. And then I will get some baby beads. Beautiful. Okay, you guys, so here's our bracelet haul so far. And then we did snag some money toads. This one's like really nice quality. And then some of these goby agates undyed, which are really fun. And then we're over in this section now. And I came across these little itty bitty money toads in labradorite. And I think these are aquamarine or topaz. So I think we'll pick out some of these itty bitty babies. I usually don't come over here, but we have these gorgeous pink opal cabs from Australia. And then I have seen these before, but these are super high quality of these phantom calcites. I don't know if you can see like the parallax effect. They are so beautiful. Okay, you guys, my friend Sandra's here. She's over there. She's showing us her boxes. So she's got like 3 or 4 boxes, but look at this. All color coded. Here's her other boxes. Ooh. We're getting excited. I'm making room.
I need something that is more red. I don't have, I'm very light on the purple.
You're doing the chakra colors, right?
Yes.
How beautiful. Look at, she's having some. Oh, I love these. I was going to get some, but I didn't. Ooh, love.
I need to put.
You know, cute, right? Chrysoprase, mint chrysoprase.
So I need, I'm purple. No, actually I'm not. That, look it, this is good banding.
Good, very good banding. We are at my favorite Peruvian booth in Kino, and we're just taking a little peek-sees at what they've got.
Look at Kissing Heart.
I know. Ooh, you would like this tower, I think.
I think I would.
It's got druzy.
These would be good men gifts too. Like a little bit more matte.
Yeah, I like the pastel colors.
That's cute.
We just finished, well, I finished at the bracelet vendor. Sandra did not, but she got a lot of stuff. Ooh, it's your baby. Yeah, so we're just kind of taking a peek at what they have. We'll see if we want to shop. That's always like my go-to, is I'll just kind of take a peek and see if I want to buy anything. And then once I see something I want to buy.
What's all this in here?
It's all Peruvian material, so angelite, that kind of vibe. Ooh, I like these. Amazonite from Peru. Massage wands. Ooh, these are really pretty.
Oh, those are very swirly.
I think you said these are free for me. It's like, oh, and here's these are the chrysocolla spheres I was telling you about.
Okay.
Really quite lovely.
Okay. So
Oh, and
I'm just
Bolivianite. This is a very rare. Ooh, these are really nice quality. Here, I'm looking for those black tourmaline with a chrysocolla, but they said the mine was out, so I don't know if they'll necessarily have any, but we're looking. Those are beautiful. Oh, here. Yes, they do. She's getting this for our friendship because it's my colors.
It's your color, so when I put it in my personal collection.
Aw, friends. It's so fun shopping with friends. Okay, I'm debating getting some of these. I know, aren't they good? And look at the quality on these strawberry wands.
And that is, that's like the unique swirl that's in those towers I found.
Yes,
Like
these
this
are
is
nice.
This is not.
These are really nice quality. Sometimes the
I don't
strawberry
see
doesn't come
that
out nice.
anywhere.
These are what I normally get here. These chrysocolla with tourmalines.
It almost looks like wood.
I know, isn't it pretty? This is from Peru, and they're the only ones who have. I mean, other Peruvian vendors have it, but the quality can be like really not good. I know.
Look at how pink that is.
That's why it's so fun to dig. Like this one.
Look it.
I know. Aren't they good? Ooh, these are really pretty, actually. I love these. Wow. Oh, and they have baby angelite spheres. I do like the baby spheres. Let's see what's on the other side here. These are really nice ones, too. Let's see what else we've got over here. Oh, they have pyramids in the composite, too. See? If you like pyramids. They're kind of cute. Oh, and the serpentine with pyrite. I love these. These are so fun. I don't know if I like it in the pyramid. Look at the birds. We love the birds. They are absolutely spectacular. Look at how beautiful these are.
Do you have wholesale pricing different?
These are gorgeous. This vendor is so cool. Look at all the elephants. Look at all the elephants. It reminds me of Willow, even though she's very skinny. This vendor is cool. And then we have Todd, Zion Prospector with the Tiffany stone and the fluorite. So we will go take a peek here. We got some pink halite. And then there's some really gorgeous fluorites here. Look at these big buffaloes. The guy who carves these actually vends here. Yes.
Well, this one.
I love this shape. I don't know, I usually don't get fluorites from him because I have really good Mexican vendor hookups, but there's some nice smaller pieces here. And technically, like, Kino isn't open right now, which I didn't know. So we are kind of here early, which is nice. I didn't really know that we were. Might be worth grabbing some of these. And I'm going to show you guys the Tiffany stone because there's a lot. So let's go look at that. This booth is like so quiet. Yeah, slow your roll, girl. No, I'm just kidding.
I'm not in the jewelry department. I like the guys that are there. I like the whole everything.
I know, I love them.
This is really unique. Like it's
This
like
is the Tiffany.
It's like a evil eye, but for like.
I love Tiffany stone. It's an opalized fluorite, if that gives you any goosebumps. We have some more affordable Tiffany stone here, which is kind of fun. It's Keystone pricing. So Keystone is wholesale. Businesses will get 50% off that. If you're coming off the streets, you pay the full price. Okay. If you got a wholesale license, you pay the Keystone price. I'm explaining what Keystone pricing is in case people don't know. Pretty. It's Sandra's first time buying. So we've got some really gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous Tiffany stone here. There's just so many pieces. Let me zoom that up here. I love that piece. Wow. I mean, you guys, these are like thousands and thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars. Oh, wow.
Is the pink Tiffany too?
Yeah, it's all opalized fluorite with other stuff in it. The guy who carves it's right behind you, so you can ask him. Ooh, wow. Todd is here, who owns this booth.
I like this one. That's cute.
Yeah, they're also different, the pieces. And then over here, we got Honeycomb Heaven, which again, I do have another vendor that I get this from cheaper. So this is pretty common that is the case. So obviously if I can get it cheaper, I like to get it cheaper. These are Wonderstone in the Bears and Buffaloes. Sorry, the light's a little funky in here. They have those, whatever those lights are called. Rainbow Rhyolite. These are really fun. And Todd really specializes in material from Utah. So we've got raw Tiffany stone over here. Some gorgeous honeycombs. I love the cube. The color on these is so perfect. These are the gorgeous fluorites. And I did snag some Tiffany stone tumbles, super purple ones, and I handpicked. But these are all so gorgeous fluorites from Mexico. We got some super unique ones. I usually don't buy fluorite from this booth, so. Okay, so technically Kino isn't open, and technically this place closed at 5, but they do let you shop until 6. So we're taking a little peruse. I really like this vendor, and I know the people, they actually came to Hawaii. So we're just kind of taking a peruse. They have so many amazing things. They have 3 locations in Tucson. They have a Kino location. They have a 22nd Street location, and they do have a warehouse, but their warehouse is half wholesale. So I'm just sharing this information if you guys are at all interested in coming here. This is just day 1 for us. So there's a lot still left to see. But I like to show little bits of the vendors I go to. We did get here a little late today, so we didn't have quite as much time to shop as we normally would. But we're just kind of checking this out before we commit. Oh my gosh, look at how fun these are. The dinosaur heads. I haven't seen those before. Oh, I love these. These were ones that I had gotten and you guys really like them. And then they have the fully raw. I do love the half polished, half raw. So right now they can't cash us out tonight because it's, you know, they're technically closed. I just bought so much fluorite, so being a little more reserved. But yeah, there's so much stuff here. I actually really like these, but I don't know. I don't want to go too crazy on materials, but here's more of those beautiful half raw, half polished pieces. And oh, just a note about the pricing. I didn't mention this before, but pricing looks different at every show. Pricing is different if you walk off the street and you're not a wholesale buyer. Pricing is different if you are a wholesale buyer. Sometimes the price you see is marked as retail, and then you get a deduction if you have a tax ID. So anyone can come to these shows, but you can't always get the wholesale pricing unless you have a tax ID. So that's just something to note. But yeah, this vendor really has so many things to hand pick. I've been just really drawn to the fluorites. this year. Oh, and I love the quartz and tourmalines. And we haven't even eaten, you guys. We just came straight here and we're just like figuring it out. And forgive the beeping in the background. Yeah, there's some just really lovely pieces here. And this, I would say, is one of the most affordable vendors. If you're curious, that is their booth. Nature Designs. Oh, look, Sandra found some cute stuff. So much fluorite. They have a lot of mass-produced carvings from China. So if that's your thing. Oh, see, like I've never seen these ones before. Kind of fun. And then they have like packs of towers and things like that. Just a lot of variety. And I think they're like one of the most affordable vendors. And then just straight next door, we've got some really beautiful lamps. Beautiful lepidolite and tourmaline towers. Tons of variety at this vendor. And they have some bigger statement pieces over there as well. Ooh, these are fun. And it's nice because you can like really go through and hand pick everything, which is some of the best parts of shopping in person. So we're just at Kino today. We may come back tomorrow. Got lots of tumbles. Ooh, I do like these with the druzy. These are really pretty too. Oh, we were admiring how gorgeous this flower agate is. We got some aura here. It's just so fun. You could literally spend hours, and I can't believe the day is already over. We're like, wait, what happened? So very good day one. I bought less than I normally do. I feel like we didn't have quite as much time, but... Oh, and they have these beautiful roses. I just had these in my shop. And then in the fluorite. And then there's also a Moroccan booth over there. So let's look at the big statement towers over here. We're just kind of seeing if this is a place we want to grab some stuff. It's so crazy to me that Kino isn't even open. I should have checked the dates, but you know, most vendors allow you to shop early, which is a really nice thing. Oh, Sandra's building a box. Oops, sorry, went the wrong way. Got some really beautiful statement pieces. Love a good statement piece. And then never forget to look under the tables. There's always lots of goodies down there if you want to get down on your knees and dig. So yeah, I haven't actually grabbed a box and built anything yet, but just for context, this is how big their booth is here. This is the bigger of the two. I want to say the 22nd Street show isn't quite as big. So yeah, I think I might try to pick some stuff out. I'm not 100% sure if I will, but I will be back if we have anything more exciting that pops up on our way out. Okay guys, they're kicking us out. It's officially 6:02. We're 2 minutes past, but I scored some amazing stuff. Oh, they're shutting the lights off. All right, they're gonna lock us in. We got so many amazing things, you guys. I'm so excited. Now we need to eat. Get out of here. These are so, stand next to one so I can show the size. Look at how big these are. They're life size, though we're all short girlies. They're so cool. They're all wood. And then the owls and the wolf. Ow! We're literally getting kicked out. They're turning the lights off. Yes. Let's see if we can cut through this way. Okay, we're getting out of here.